Welcome back to the Anker SOLIX YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Anker SOLIX 410 watt rigid solar panels and connect them to the F3800 Plus. In an emergency, solar power can be the difference between running out of backup energy and staying safe. Solar dramatically extends how long you can operate without the grid. The Anker SOLIX solar setup and home backup power system are scalable, so you can start small and grow your system as needed. Today, I'm going to show you two ways to set up your system, a temporary and a more permanent solar setup. First, we need to set up your solar array. Let's decide where to place your panels. Ensure your installation site has no shade from trees or buildings and receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. You can mount your panels on a roof or go with a ground mount system like I did. The ground mount system allows me to be more flexible and do it myself. It's up to you. You can choose a more permanent or temporary setup based on your needs. For a quick setup, connect up to 4 of the 410 watt rigid panels in series, positive to negative, to stay within 165 volts and 17 amps per group, for a max of 1600 watts per MPPT solar port. The F3800 Plus allows for 2 groups, which is 3200 watts total. Use an MC4 adapter cable to connect the first group to 1 solar port on the F3800 Plus. Then just repeat with the second group for a total of 3200 watts. And once everything is connected, turn on the F3800 Plus. Open the Anker SOLIX app to confirm that your panels are feeding in power and that your outlets are responding. You'll see real-time input wattage, your battery levels, and even smart modes like self-consumption and automatic backup. So now that your solar array is connected to your F3800 Plus, it's supporting your home's backup power system to extend runtime and save on electricity costs. Let's go over 2 ways your solar-powered backup system can connect to your home to support you in a power outage. Option 1 is the simpler setup. Option 1 is a temporary setup that doesn't require any adjusting to your home's wiring. With this setup, all you do is plug appliances directly into the F3800 Plus, like a generator. With your solar panels connected, it supports simultaneous charging and discharging to keep your essentials working during a power outage. It's that simple. Option 2 is a more permanent solution designed for automated backup power. This involves using the Anker SOLIX Home Power Panel. This allows for seamless energy switching from the grid to your backup power system to keep your home running as normal when the grid goes down. To install the HPP, you can actually do it yourself. Just turn off your home's main power switch and follow the instructions. Or you can have a certified Anker SOLIX installer do it for you in just a couple hours. Once the HPP is installed, connect it directly to the F3800 Plus using the AC output port. It supports both 120 and 240 volt. Whether you want a temporary or more permanent setup, you can always reach maximum solar input by pairing the Anker SOLIX rigid panels with the F3800 Plus. And that's it. For everyday energy savings, storm protection, or for just more independence, Anker SOLIX makes it easy to scale solar your way. Let me know if you want additional videos on smart settings or generator mode, but right now you've got the basics. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.